The GE AC6000, the most powerful diesel-electric locomotive in the world. The GE AC6000 combines the benefits of the proven technology of individually controlled AC traction motors housed in high-ad trucks, environmentally friendly air-cooled inverters, split cooling, electronic fuel injection, the capability of adapting to railroad management integrated control systems, and the new 6,000 horsepower 7HDL diesel engine. Let's take a look at some of the new features found on the 7HDL. There are now 2 turbochargers. These twin turbos, designed and built by GE, include all of the latest features, including backward curved compressor vanes for optimum efficiency. Fuel is delivered through an electronic fuel injection system, resulting in the highest fuel efficiency and the lowest emissions possible. The individual fuel pumps operate without push rods. This allows a stiffer system and decreased combustion variability from cylinder to cylinder. The intake manifold of the new engine is located in the V. This reduces the width of the engine and allows a cylinder head to be removed without disturbing the inlet manifold, increasing reliability and improving maintainability. While there are some components and features that are the same as the units with which you're already familiar, there is a lot like the 7HDL diesel engine that is different on these new locomotives. We'll be taking a look at what's new to help you, the engineer, become familiar with the AC6000. Before we start our walk-around, we want to remind you to always follow all railroad safety rules and regulations. The GE AC6000 is equipped with a 5,500-gallon fuel tank, with a new type of digital fuel monitoring system that can be seen on both sides of the fuel tank near the fuel fill, and on the video information display, the vid screen in the operator's cab. You may compare the level to the reading in the fuel sight glass. The fuel tank is integrated into the platform, eliminating fuel tank bolts. The drains for the lubricating oil and the water system are on the operator's side. As we work our way up the crew side of the AC6000, it's a good time for this additional safety reminder. Traction motor leads may have high voltage. The crew side digital fuel monitor should be compared to the fuel level sight glass. It should correspond to the reading on the digital fuel monitor on the operator's side. It is not a problem if the reading varies by a small amount. Engine stop switches are located on each side of the locomotive near the fuel tank. Pressing this button stops the fuel flow to the diesel engine. An important safety device is located in the doorway to the auxiliary compartment. This is a safety barrier bar. It does more than prevent access to the compartment. This bar must be in the horizontal position for the locomotive to operate properly. These LEDs are illuminated when the circuits are charged. A little further along the operator's side walkway, we come to the service areas for the lube oil and water. A green warning LED is conveniently located in the same compartment. With the control system powered, the LED illuminates when the water is called to return to the tank. Always make sure that the green LED is on before checking the water level in the sight glass. If the LED is not illuminated and the water sight glass indicates low water, remember that water is now being routed through the radiators. While the engine is idling, verify the level. Continuing down the operator's side walkway, we come to the handbrake. It must be fully released before moving the locomotive. The air compressor is near the back of the locomotive. It can be accessed from the crew side. If you need to add oil, the air compressor should be shut down. You isolate the compressor by turning off the LCCB, the local control circuit breaker located on the EC panel in the operator's cab. To avoid an oil spill, remove the fill only when the air compressor is not running. Oil should be near the top of the fill. A simple fill cap permits easy inspection. Of effort. Dynamic braking has jumped from 60,000 pounds to 117,000 pounds. This performance, combined with higher mission reliability, offers an unbeatable combination of power and dependability that is important to CSX.